Next, funnels AI. Let's explore what this is. This is a brand new thing which was not there before. So we had conversation AI, we had reviews AI, we had to some extent voice AI, but funnel AI is a completely new thing. Let's explore this for you. Let's say add a new funnel using funnel AI. Okay, I click on continue. What industry does your company serve? So I am a, let's say, dentist, or I am a coach. Name of your business: Sawan Kumar. Education, coaching. Next, I'm looking for a funnel for this business to generate more leads, and content should feel friendly, or get more appointments, showcase your services, or sell products and services. So let's say I want to generate more leads, and the content should feel friendly, professional, inspirational, conversational, humorous, sarcastic, and persuasive. So let's say I put it as inspirational, and I click on generate. Now funnel AI is going to generate the entire funnel for you. So you no longer have to be bothered about creating the funnel, setting up the steps, designing the pages, nothing at all. I'll show you in a minute what it's doing. So generating content for your page. It takes a while to set things up, which is obvious. Generating images for your pages. And here it is. The funnel is built. The funnel name is Home Sawan Kumar. Now, based on the instructions that I gave, so had I given more detailed instructions, the funnel would have been different. Unlock potential with expert tutors at Sawan Kumar. Unlock your child's potential with Sawan Kumar. Expert tutoring, personalized coaching, and real-world guidance to pave their way. Start your learning journey. Explore our diverse. So all of the content, all of the images are generated by AI for you. Now you can definitely make changes to the content, make changes to the CTAs, whatever you want to, but yes, it has almost everything that should be there in a funnel. Now you can click on save or do a preview. Let's click on the preview. Click on start your learning journey. So pop-up opened up, unable to find the form, so you have to build a form here since there's no form. So, and you can start with a free trial session today. So you can create a form and then create a workflow once this form is submitted. So basically your entire landing page is ready with a good looking landing page, and you just have to update the content, the logo, and all of it, and you are ready to go. So that's funnel AI from GoHighLevel. Well, not very happy with what it is and how useful it would be in real sense, but yes, it would at least give you a good structure to get started, and you won't end up staring on a whiteboard with nowhere to start. So yeah, that's a good one. Let's move on to the next one.